Welcome back to M Hood Fishing, everybody. Today I'm in Port Sulphur, Louisiana on the West Bank. Yesterday out here, storm surge was on the road from Hurricane Sally, but Hurricane Sally is long gone. So I'm with my good friend Marwin, who runs a channel called Real Reds. After the video, why don't you go check out his channel? Appreciate it. Link is down in the description. So I'm out here just around solar noon, probably going to stay for quite a few hours checking out stuff. Gonna do some roadside fishing out here. I might walk off into the marsh and see what's up. Let's get it done, man. Let's do it. Let's see if this will work. Water might be too high. Whoa, the water is super high back here. Most of this trail is underwater. First thing I want to do is throw this little tiny sparkle beetle. It's a chartreuse one. It's on a 1/16 ounce chartreuse jig head. See what kind of little bait fish I can catch. If I can't catch anything on the line, we have the cast net with us. Look at all these shrimp coming out of my net. Oh, I got some bait. Let's see, I'm gonna dump it on the ground, see what we got. Look at the bands.
Oh yeah.
Finger mullet, yes, that's what I want.
Nice.
And there's shrimp in here, but they're all bait shrimp or even smaller. So I'm gonna fish this mullet on a 5/0 circle hook here. I'm gonna hook them right behind the head. Not too deep or it'll kill them. I want them to stay alive. And this is kind of a Carolina rig. Most of you will know it as a slip rig. We're using an ounce of a slip weight here. Throw this out, let's see what this will do. Probably catch a gar. This is on my bigger rod, one of my Tide waters. It's got a hefty braid on it, 80-pound braid. That's a 50-pound monofilament leader. Out into the middle. If I'm not my usual exciting self in this video, there's a good reason for it. It is after 2 o'clock right now. I woke up at around 3 this morning in an absolute pain because a 60-pound red bone decided to fall asleep on top of me. Like I woke up pinned to the bed. She was on top of this shoulder. I was having nightmares of being trapped somewhere, couldn't move. It's because that big dog fell asleep on top of me. I just couldn't sleep after that. I went and fished somewhere, didn't work out, and let me tell you what's going on right now. So Hurricane Sally here comes a truck, and there goes the truck. So Hurricane Sally kind of gave us cold front conditions after she left. It was about 3 days of a lot of heavy wind out of the north, and it cooled us off. It brought the water temps, I think, down just a little bit, enough to affect the fish, but it mostly made everything really dirty with that north wind. So everywhere I went this morning, fishing was off. For the past 2 days, fishing hasn't been great for various reasons, not all pertaining to the storm, but some of them pertaining to the storm. Where I was this morning, I saw, oh man, more than a dozen fishermen come and go while I was there, and they didn't catch anything. I was in City Park. So now I'm out here in the sunshine, tired as all heck, blabbering to you, waiting for a big gar to maybe break through or cut through my 50-pound mono. I do have steel leader. Whoa! He just lost his first fish. Oh! It's your first cat. It's not that special. Something hit the mullet, I think. What do you think, people? Hey Marwin, come here and get this in case this is case this is a gar, I've got a
noose?
Yeah, you said it. Get that untangled.
Oh yeah, that's a gar. I think that's that gar I was going for, man.
It's your gar?
No.
On my line?
No, that's what I'm saying.
This is the gar you lost?
This is the gar I think it could be.
It might not be a gar. It might just be a really big hardhead. Or a stingray, yeah.
Stingray.
Whoa.
Yeah, he wasn't pouring red.
If we were in the UK, this would be like a big, exciting deal for people. We would be so happy. I mean, for the day and the time, I mean, it's something, man. I'm gonna show this off like I'm really, really proud, because this might be the only thing I'm gonna catch today. So I'm like super amped right now. It is the best thing ever, man. A ray. I mean, it's just a bad day for fishing, so I'm really happy to have had this fun catch. At least it wasn't a guppy. All right, we're gonna let him go on this side. It's just much easier to let him go. We're gonna watch him sail off.
Doesn't that mean
There he goes, he's trucking now. It is time to put a live bait under a float. So we got us a 1/0 octopus hook here. Got us a little mud minnow here. We're gonna hook him right behind the head. I'm about 3 feet underneath a popping cork. Just gonna put that right out in front of us, not too far. There we go, that was fast. That was just a little minnow I put on there.
Yeah, man. What is it?
Speck?
Nice.
I'm definitely gonna say that's an undersized speck. Really too small even. I'm not even gonna get a sandwich out of that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's under 12. I'm not into keeping fish tonight anyway. Go back. I just caught another live bait. This is a small finger mullet. And this is what I'm gonna do. Instead of hooking them through the back right behind the head, we're gonna go right through the bottom lip. And you want that hook to come up through his nose, not his head, because if you go too far back here, you're gonna kill it. Look at this! Oh!
Yeah, I told you.
On 12-pound test.
That's the gar, huh?
I don't know. I think so. It's a little minnow. The bait is a little minnow. It's an 1. Am I filming? Yes.
Yup.
The rope. It's a good thing I had my drag set. I have to just tire him out. I can't believe he is hooked. He feels solidly hooked on this 1/0 octopus hook. It's just a little mud minnow he hit. Haven't seen gar all day here. And when I was just trying to catch pinfish and whatever swimming in front of these rocks on this cork, I get this. I gave up on the bottom. Look at him. He ain't big. You don't have a landing net, do you?
No, I don't. Here, put it through.
Where's the loop?
It's in the loop.
He's not ready yet.
No.
Just get the loop ready at about a 6 to 8 inch diameter. And when I say hand it to me, hand it to me. I'm not planning on putting the rod through the loop.
Okay.
We're gonna get him right up into this. I'm gonna try and play him into here. See, this bit of water past these rocks. I'm gonna tire him out. I'm gonna try and play him through these two big rocks here. So I guess that you expect me to put the rope on this gar, all right?
Yeah, of course. Why don't you just put it through the rod? Isn't it easier? Well, because the rope
You don't have to.
Yeah, the rope is not that long.
Too many things can go wrong doing that.
Come to the back, huh?
Oh, I don't want to grab the line, but I want to grab the line. Got to get him over this hump.
Kick him. Kick him.
Oh, that's mean.
Kick him in. Kick him in. Oh, he's in. He's in. Should I push through the tail?
I want you to grab the rod.
Oh, nice. The rod.
Back up. Open my bail.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I know there's water on the lens. Just, I can't be bothered to wipe it off, but I want you to see where he's hooked.
Oh.
Right on the edge there. Solid hookup, but man, what a lucky hookup too, because if it would have been any deeper in there, he would have bit off this 12-pound test. Such a lucky catch, man. I tell you, any other kind of hookup, I would have lost this fish. It was such a blast to get this guy on 12-pound test on my Shimano FX. Yeah, you're right. All right, so nice. This is maybe like 10 pounds, maybe something like that, maybe 12. A couple feet. Nice on 12-pound test. All right. I'm releasing them into this bit of the canal over here on the other side because, oh,
He's gone.
Surprisingly, he took right off. I thought he was gonna need some pampering, but okay, good, nice. There's something stuck in the edge of these rocks, so I have some live shrimp that I've caught in the cast net. I don't think it's pinfish. Could be pinfish here too. I mean, there are pinfish here, but it's something like a rat red or, oh, that shrimp's already gone, dang it. Ooh, got something freaking out around. Look at this. some big fish just going nuts around my finger mullet. Look at this. Look, there it goes again. It's not the same. It's not the same one. He's not in this water anymore.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you forgot that we released it across the street?
Nicer than anything today.
Nice. Got him. This is on a Menhaden. Last fish, people. What do we got here? I told you there was something stalking these rocks. I'm trying to get this thing. I don't think this is actually the one. I think there's a bunch of fish. It's usually the case here around this time of the day, this time of the evening. They'd be feeding off little bait around these rocks. Oh, he's still going off on these rocks here. Well, at least I got a red today at the sunset. Awesome. I'll let this one go. It's undersized. Quite a beautiful sunset. I'm quite pleased. My morning session, nowhere near as good as this. This was okay, but this was still poor, but pleasing. Really nice to get that gar on 12-pound test. A couple other nice fish. Not a lot to speak of. The gar is the high point of this video, and I am ready to go home and go to sleep. So like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.